Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that is becoming increasingly important in our digital age: cybersecurity vulnerability. Cybersecurity vulnerability refers to weaknesses or gaps in a computer system, network, or software that can be exploited by attackers to gain unauthorized access or cause damage. These vulnerabilities can range from software bugs to misconfigured systems and can have serious consequences for individuals, organizations, and even entire nations. With the increasing use of technology in our daily lives, it's important to be aware of the potential threats and take steps to protect ourselves. Some common examples of cybersecurity vulnerabilities include unpatched software, weak passwords, and phishing scams. To prevent these threats, it's important to take proactive measures such as regularly updating software, using strong passwords, and being cautious of suspicious emails or links. It's also important to stay informed about the latest cybersecurity trends and best practices, as new threats are constantly emerging. Organizations can also implement various security measures such as firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and encryption to protect their networks and sensitive data. Additionally, companies can provide regular cybersecurity training for their employees to help them identify and avoid potential threats. Conclusion. In conclusion, cybersecurity vulnerability is a growing concern in our digital age. By being aware of the potential threats and taking proactive measures to protect ourselves, we can help ensure the safety of our personal and sensitive information. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos on cybersecurity and technology. Until next time, stay safe online.